Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the review of the AsiaHorse Pegasus Micro ATX PC case, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out. This case stands out with its unique 270 degrees curved panoramic tempered glass side panel, which offers a smooth, elegant look without the harsh right angles typical of many PC cases. This design not only enhances the visual appeal, but also provides an immersive, unobstructed view of your internal components and RGB lighting, making it perfect for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want to showcase their builds. The Pegasus case is designed with optimized airflow in mind, featuring 9 strategically placed fan mounts that ensure excellent cooling performance. This is crucial for maintaining stable temperatures during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The spacious interior is about 50 larger than standard Micro ATX cases, allowing for easy installation and better cable management. It comfortably fits larger GPUs, CPU coolers, and even supports extensive water cooling setups with radiator support up to 360 mm on top and 240 mm on the side. Connectivity is another strong point, with a front I/O panel that includes USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and a modern Type-C 3.2 port. This selection covers most peripheral needs and future-proofs your setup to some extent. The build quality is solid, constructed from high-quality SPCC steel and thick tempered glass, ensuring durability and protection for your components. On the downside, the case is relatively heavy, which might be a consideration if you plan to move your PC frequently. Also, when installing water cooling at the top, you need to be mindful of the combined thickness of the cooling unit and fans to avoid wiring challenges. Despite these minor caveats, the AsiaHorse Pegasus offers a great balance of aesthetics, functionality, and expandability. In summary, if you're looking for a stylish, spacious, and well-ventilated Micro ATX case that supports high-end components, including RTX 40 series GPUs, this case is definitely worth considering. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment for easy access. Check it out to get the best deal on this impressive gaming PC case.